You can improve discussion. How? Ask a good question. But if you ask a lousy question, that can fail. First, lousy questions. If a question requires only a simple answer, yes or no, Example. Should we tell people about Jesus? Yes. That question does not help inspire discussion. You can improve that question. How? We tell people about Jesus. How? Or we tell about Jesus. Who? This is better. Second lousy question. If a question asks which, either or, those questions don't inspire discussion. Example. God made first man, woman, which? The answer is too short. Man. No discussion. Third lousy question. If your question is too long and complicated, people will not understand. Example. Explain the reason why the 12 disciples did not need to be afraid when, after Jesus fed the 5,000 people, he told the disciples to get in the boat and go across the lake, but he did not go with them when they got caught in the storm. Huh? What was the question again? You lost me. Fourth kind of lousy question. Don't use questions that have double negatives. Example. Why should we not think that all people who don't go to church are not saved? That question has 3 negatives. Awful question. In the printed study questions, it is best to try avoid using negatives. Not, none, etc. Why? Negatives in English can confuse people using ASL. 5th lousy question. Don't combine several questions together into one question. Example. Peter saw Jesus walking on the water. He was afraid. Why? And what made him change his mind and have faith? Those are 2 questions, not 1. You can improve that how. Ask the first question. Peter saw Jesus walking on the water. He was afraid. Why? When the answer is finished, ask the second question. What made Peter change his mind and have faith? Good questions can really help you. Fascinate people and draw them into the discussion.